As the dawn of civilization rose over the eternal city, a grand amphitheater began to take shape. Born from the dreams of Emperor Vespasian around 70 to 80 AD, the Colosseum emerged as a testament to Roman grandeur and engineering prowess. This colossal structure, originally known as the Flavian Amphitheater, was destined to become one of the most iconic symbols of Rome's ancient glory. Imagine the roar of the crowd echoing through the ages, as gladiators locked in mortal combat, or exotic beasts from distant lands prowled the sandy floor. For over 4 centuries, this amphitheater hosted spectacles of unimaginable scale, from gruesome battles to grand naval exhibitions. It stood as the beating heart of Roman entertainment, a place where the people of Rome could witness the might of their empire firsthand. As we draw closer, notice the imposing facade, pockmarked by time yet undiminished in its majesty. The Colosseum was an architectural marvel of its time, with a capacity to hold up to 50,000 spectators. Its intricate design featured a complex system of underground passages and chambers known as the Hypogeum, where gladiators and beasts awaited their turn to enter the arena. Despite the ravages of time, natural disasters, and human neglect, the Colosseum continues to stand tall, a silent witness to the rise and fall of one of history's greatest empires. It's an enduring symbol of Rome's indomitable spirit, its thirst for spectacle, and its unparalleled architectural prowess. As we glide through one of its iconic archways, we're transported back in time to an era when the Colosseum was not just a monument, but a living, breathing entity. It's a reminder of the power and grandeur of the Roman Empire, a testament to their architectural genius, and a symbol of the human desire for spectacle and entertainment. So there you have it, the Colosseum, a beacon of ancient Rome's glory, an architectural marvel, and a testament to the enduring allure of this eternal city. Its stories, etched in stone and whispered by the wind, continue to captivate us, reminding us of a time when gladiators walked these halls, and the roar of the crowd echoed beneath the azure Roman sky. As we leave this monumental structure behind, we carry with us a piece of history, a sense of awe, and a renewed appreciation for the incredible ingenuity of our ancestors.